The battlefield of 2025 is rapidly evolving, and so are the machines that dominate it. Armored personnel carriers and infantry fighting vehicles are no longer just transport units, they've become smarter, deadlier, and more versatile than ever before. In today's video from Drive Trend, we'll explore the most advanced APCs and IFVs of 2025, and how they're reshaping modern combat. Let's start with APCs, vehicles designed to transport infantry safely across hostile territory. Traditionally, APCs were lightly armed and armored, meant more for protection than combat. But in 2025, that line is getting blurred. Today's APCs are integrating active protection systems, drone interfaces, and AI-assisted threat recognition. One standout this year is the Patria 6x6, upgraded with modular armor and hybrid propulsion. It's not just quieter and more fuel efficient, but also capable of operating in urban environments with reduced heat signatures. Countries across Europe are adopting it not only for peacekeeping but also for frontline operations, thanks to its improved survivability and networked systems. Meanwhile, the American Stryker family continues to evolve. The new Stryker's prototype integrates a hybrid electric powertrain, 360-degree situational awareness using AI-enhanced sensors, and an optional unmanned turret. It's a shift towards semi-autonomous functionality, allowing the crew to focus more on mission objectives and less on vehicle management. Expect to see this platform forming the backbone of future U.S. infantry mobility strategies. Switching gears to infantry fighting vehicles, the more combat-oriented cousins of APCs, we're seeing major upgrades in firepower, sensors, and battlefield integration. The IFV of 2025 is essentially a rolling command center, fire support unit, and drone hub all in one. One of the most advanced examples is Germany's new Lynx KF-41. Already praised for its flexibility and combat effectiveness, the KF-41 in 2025 now comes equipped with the Lance 2.0 turret, an upgraded 30mm cannon, and anti-tank missile launchers. But what really makes it cutting-edge is the integration of a soldier system interface, giving infantry inside the vehicle real-time data from external sensors and drones. Another serious player is the Russian T-15 Armata, based on the same chassis as the T-14 main battle tank. Its standout features include heavy armor, an unmanned turret, and integration with swarm drone tactics. Russia continues to invest in next-gen electronic warfare suites, and the T-15 is likely to be at the heart of their networked battlefield approach. The South Korean IS-21 Redback is also gaining attention. Developed with both domestic and international markets in mind, it blends powerful weaponry, such as a 40mm cannon, with advanced armor and situational awareness tech. Its Iron Fist active protection system allows it to intercept incoming projectiles, making it one of the most survivable IFVs in its class. Australia is already investing heavily in this platform, hinting at wider adoption. But it's not just about individual vehicles. In 2025, integration is key. Both APCs and IFVs are being connected to broader battlefield networks, sharing sensor data, drone feeds, and targeting information in real time. This kind of network-centric warfare gives commanders a full picture of the battlefield and allows armored units to respond more dynamically to threats. There's also a growing emphasis on unmanned platforms. Autonomous IFVs are being tested in multiple countries, capable of operating without a human driver or gunner. These vehicles can scout ahead, engage targets, or act as decoys. While not yet fully deployed in large numbers, 2025 marks a turning point in the integration of AI into armored vehicles. Countries, like China, are also making rapid advances. The ZBD-04A, while already a capable IFV, is being upgraded with new electronics, better suspension, and more powerful armament. China is focusing heavily on amphibious capabilities, making their IFVs well-suited for regional conflicts in the Asia-Pacific. And let's not forget about survivability. Mine-resistant ambush-protected (MRAP)-like designs are influencing the next wave of APCs and IFVs, emphasizing crew safety even in asymmetric environments. V-shaped hulls, blast-absorbing seats, and enhanced armor packages are becoming standard features. As we move further into this decade, the line between APCs and IFVs will continue to blur. Future platforms are being built modularly, allowing the same base vehicle to be used for troop transport, reconnaissance, fire support, or command and control. This flexibility reduces logistics costs and increases operational efficiency. The APCs and IFVs of 2025 are not just vehicles, they're high-tech weapon systems, information nodes, and survival tools in one. From advanced armor to drone integration and AI-assisted operations, they reflect the changing nature of warfare itself. Thanks for tuning in to Drive Trend. If you're fascinated by military technology and the future of combat vehicles, be sure to subscribe and stay with us for more deep dives into the machines that shape our world. See you in the next video.